Hi guys, we're at Maxey level crossing in Cambridgeshire with AB Trains, Trains Fan UK and JM Trains.
Come on, you mossy old thing. It's mossy, isn't it?
There we go. Now,
Ooh, that goes.
time is 16:43 on Saturday the 17th of September 2016. And this is for our 1647 1024 Virgin Train service from London King's Cross to Newcastle. It's right here. Jace.
1 Sierra 24 Virgin Trains East Coast service from, where is it from?
London King's Cross to Newcastle.
London King's Cross to Newcastle. Go to Newcastle. Yorkshire, isn't it?
I'll just go with this back. Yay!
Shall we get the train?
Get that plane and go to Jamie's handbasket.
Wallaby, dare do. I'm off.
Mr. James. Mr. Jamie Martin strikes again. Watch out, Jace. Jace. What? Trains Fan UK.
Trains Fan UK, Jake Stewart.
Hello.
Jace. Jace, watch out. Jamie strikes again with his sense of humour.
Right.
Yeah, because of all the things you do. Remember the time that me and you first met Ryan at Clapham Junction? All your sense of humour struck again. Lol.
Nah, mate. I'll tell you what. Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna go to Manchester. I'm gonna find myself 68.
Don't be like Bob then,
No, I'm not.
I'm from Manchester.
because otherwise you would be kicked out as well.
Next Saturday.
And do you know?
It's a railway museum.
It's
I might be
do you know
stuck
Talent Level
all the way
Crossing?
back. Well, calling
Jamie.
point, that is.
When tomorrow?
Next Saturday.
Jamie, Talent Level Crossing is actually Jace's first level crossing to film.
I enjoyed it. I'm enjoying this. I'm doing more. I'm going to go down to...
What is that?
Oh, hang on. Here comes something.
Friction.
Here she is.
25
9121. 200 to Newcastle, and up they go. Thank you guys, I'll see you next video.